somebody is grabbing my attention at the door.
Absolutely. Okay.
Correct. Your Honor, the defendant in the last breakout room, I think his name is Whiteside. He's charged here with 2 counts, defective equipment and no insurance misdemeanor. He has the insurance and wants to plead to the defective equipment if that would please the court.
I was actually already writing up the offer as such, so.
Nice. Thank you.
All right. I'll bring out Joshua Williams first to try and get him out of here.
Okay, and with your permission, I'll bring Mr. Whiteside in.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Yes, Dr.
The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no smoking, no talking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a motor vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a leveled surface so that your face may be seen. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon.
Good
Mr.
afternoon.
Williams, Joshua Williams, I'm gonna call your matter first, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Joshua Williams. This is ticket P1355969. This is count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, improper plates. Appearances for the record, starting with Attorney Boffman, please.
Good afternoon, Harry Boffman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant, sir. State your name, your full name, please.
Joshua Gabriel Williams.
Thank you, Your Honor. For the purpose of arraignment, we'll stand mute. The defendant is going to enter into a guilty plea. There's a recommendation that we'd ask you to follow.
All right, at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea of not guilty, but Mr. Williams, it's my understanding you want to take advantage of the offer today. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Boffman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in this matter? Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir. I want to take your attention back to the date of July 8th of 2022. Were you in the area of Michigan Avenue and Clark in the city of Detroit driving a Dodge vehicle, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And did that vehicle have improper plates on it at the time, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied, Your Honor, and I also stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining count for dismissal.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court's going to enter 1 count of improper plates. I'm going to dismiss count 1 of this ticket. Sir, my fine is typically $200. Are you able to pay that?
Yes, I'm able to pay it next week.
Okay, I can give you 30 to 60 days. How much time do you need, Mr. Williams?
Just next week.
Okay, I'm gonna give you
this-
until,
14
Go ahead.
days.
okay. I'm gonna give you until January 6th, so that gives you a little bit more time, just in case anything happens, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much for your patience, and I hope you can go get your kids. You still gonna be on time, Mr. Williams?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Okay, fantastic. See, we said we'd get you out of here on time. All right.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You have a blessed holiday too as well.
Thank you. I really appreciate that. Have a good one.
You too.
Mr. Whiteside, you can unmute yourself now.
Yes, Your Honor.
He said he already kind of talked to you about the offer of pleading to the defective or missing equipment, and that's what they're offering you today, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Ronald Whiteside. This is ticket P1317311. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, defective or missing equipment. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Okay, please court Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. State your name, please, sir.
Ronald Edward Whiteside.
Thank you, Judge. For arraignment purposes, we're not guilty, but the defendant is going to enter into a guilty plea this afternoon. Thank you.
All right. Is that right, Mr. Whiteside?
Yes, it is.
All right, reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis that on the date of February 22nd of 2022, Mr. Whiteside was driving a Toyota vehicle in the area of Southfield and Chicago in the city of Detroit, and it did have defective or missing equipment. Satisfied,
Yeah.
Attorney Boffman?
I am satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, stipulation for probable cause for the remaining count to be dismissed.
So stipulated. Thank you.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to defective or missing equipment. Count one in this ticket will be dismissed. Mr. Whiteside, he also let us know that you did get insurance on that now, so you're up to date on that, right, Mr. Whiteside?
Yes, I am.
All right, fantastic. The fine for the other ticket is $120. Typically, you have 14 days to pay that. Is that gonna be enough time for you, sir?
Whatever the max you can do, Your Honor. I mean, it's holiday time and, so whatever the court, the mercy of the court offers.
All right, February 6th, 2023, but pay it before then. Close
Yes,
the
ma'am.
Okay, all right. All right, sir, you have a happy holiday, okay?
Okay, you have a happy holiday and thank you very much, Your Honor.
You are very welcome.
Happy holiday to all.
All right, thank you. Okay, all right. Elizabeth Wilson. Now calling the matter of people versus Elizabeth Wilson. This is ticket X 4087790. Count one, no operator's license, multiple operators license. Count two, 16 to 20 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Harry Boffman. For the defendant, would you state your name, please?
Elizabeth Ashley Wilson.
Thank you, Your Honor. We are pleading not guilty and asking for a pretrial, please.
At this time, the court is going to grant that request. I'm going to give you a pretrial on the date of January 20th. It's gonna be at 8:30 in the morning instead of at this time, though. Okay, 8:30 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay? You need to write that down, man?
Yes, ma'am, I'm getting it now.
Okay, let me know. I'll repeat the
Yeah,
date.
January 20th.
Yep, January 20th, 8:30 a.m. Same Zoom information though, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, fantastic. Thank you so very much. I'll see you then, okay?
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate you.
You are welcome. All right.
Okay.
Mr. Wooten?
Yes.
No, this is tomorrow. This is today. Okay, all right. Now calling the matter of people versus Dylan Wooten. This is ticket number P1318267. Count one, drove with revoked license. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number SX4089. Mr. Wooten, stop moving. 5422. One count, limited access, speed 1 to 5 over. Appearances for the record, starting with Attorney Boffman, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant. Please, sir, state your full name for the record.
Dalen Wootson.
Thank you, Mr. Wooten. Our plea to date, Your Honor, is not guilty. We're asking that the matter be set for a pretrial. The defendant has been advised.
So what you don't know, Attorney Boffman, is that he already has several tickets scheduled for trials.
Oh, good.
So I'm just gonna put these matters on the same day for trials, okay?
Perfect.
All right, so we're gonna schedule these for bench trials on the date of February 15th. That's when all your other trials are, right, Mr. Wooten?
Yes.
February 15th, okay? Return to this courtroom. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. 2 of these tickets are speeding tickets. Slow down, right now. That's something
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can do right now, this moment, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'll see you on February 15th for bench trials and all your matters, okay, Mr. Wooten?
Okay.
All right, fantastic. See you then, okay?
All right. Thank you.
9 a.m., 9 a.m. I forgot to say 9 a.m. Bond set at $0 personal.
You said 9 a.m., right?
9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
All right. Bye-bye. Brianna Wimpert.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Brianna Winthrop. This is ticket number P1316740. One count driver's license expired. Also calling ticket P1316736. One count 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. This is the date and time set for an arraignment in both of these matters. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel first, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Would you state your name, sir?
Brianna Weipert.
Judge, our plea today is not guilty. Would you set this matter for a pretrial, please?
I will. All right, Mr. Winthrop, I'm gonna have you come back on the date of January 20th, 2023. It's gonna be in the morning instead, though, at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on that date, but at 8:30 in the morning, okay?
Got it. Can you repeat the date one more time?
Yes, I can. It's gonna be January 20th.
Got it. At 8:30 in the morning?
You got it down?
Yes.
Okay, fantastic. January 20th, 8:30 a.m. I'll see you then, okay, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
You are very welcome. All right, have a great day.
You too.
All right. Shamika Wilson?
Can you hear me?
I can,
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, now calling the matters of the people versus Shamika Wilson. Your middle
Yeah.
name is Maria?
Marie, yes.
Okay, I just want to make sure one of the tickets was written a little funny. Ticket number P883226. This is one count, drove while unlicensed. Ticket number P1371107, failed to stop for a stop sign. And ticket P1370850, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Would you state your name, ma'am?
Samika Wilson.
Thank you, Ms. Wilson. Judge, we are pleading not guilty for arraignment purposes. And we are requesting a next action date, please, a pretrial, please.
All right. Hold on a minute. Let me check on one of these tickets.
Mm-hmm.
Did you always live in Michigan, ma'am, or you live someplace else too?
I live someplace else also.
In Massachusetts?
Yes, ma'am.
This is that ticket. It's from 2017. I know you were looking.
What ticket? Wait a
The
minute.
first car that drove while unlicensed.
I was living in you know what? I've been trying to talk about that for the longest. I sent some stuff. I didn't know how to do it because I was living in Massachusetts.
Okay. All right, I saw you look at that ticket. That's what that is. It was from 2017, but it has all your information and be in Massachusetts. That's why I told you. So how are we setting this for today, Attorney Baldwin, so she can have enough time to do what she needs to do about that ticket in particular?
So that's why we asked for a pre-trial, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Wilson, that's what I can tell you. It happened on April the 21st of 2017. It was in East Auto Drive in Mount Elliott. If you believe someone had used your information back then, you need to make sure you file a report. I know it's older, but they had.
I tried to do identity theft with that, because I've been living in Massachusetts since 2010. I came back 2018.
Okay, all right, well, just letting you know it's out there, so I'm gonna set it for a pretrial, and we'll see what we can take care of, okay?
Okay,
All right, so my pretrial date is gonna be January 20th, 2023. It's gonna be in the morning instead at 8:30 a.m., okay?
okay,
I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal on all these matters, okay?
okay,
All right, ma'am, if that's all, I'll see you back that date, okay?
okay, thank you.
You're very welcome, okay?
Have a good day.
You too, thank you.
You're welcome.
Miles Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus, are you not driving, are you?
No. I'm on my lunch break at work.
I had to make sure you were looking up like you were looking around or something. I had to make sure.
Yeah,
Now
I'm
calling
parked.
okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Miles Williams. This is ticket P 1370346. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, no valid registration certificate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Would you state your name, sir?
Miles Dewan Williams.
Judge, we're asking that a not guilty plea be entered for arraignment purposes today. The defendant could use a pretrial, Judge. He's going to come back in compliance. If you could just give him a pretrial sometime in early February, please, and thank you.
Okay. The court's going to give you the date of February 17th. Does that give you enough time, Mr. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, February 17th, we'll have a pretrial. It's gonna be in the morning instead though, at 8:30 a.m. Okay, but it's via Zoom, the same way you came on today, just at 8:30 a.m., February 17th,
Okay.
okay? All right, bond set at $0 personal. I'll see you 8:30 a.m., February 17th, sir.
All right. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
You too.
I will, thank you.
Are y'all gonna kick me?
Atron Williams. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Atron Williams. This is ticket P 1362658. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please court Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir, state your name for the record, please.
Atron Williams.
Judge, we're asking that a not guilty plea be entered for arraignment purposes, and the defendant will return with compliance documents at the next action date, pre-trial, please.
All right. Sir, I'm gonna set this matter for a pretrial date on the date of January 20th. Does that give you enough time to get your documents in order, sir?
Yes.
Okay. January 20th. The time is gonna be in the morning instead, so at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna change. 20th, 2023, 8:30 a.m. Bond set at $0 personal. I'll see you then, sir, okay?
About the case. Yes.
All right. All right, sir, you're all set. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Mr. Williams. Shaneri White,
Yes, Shanier White.
Shanier White, thank you. Now calling the matter of the people versus Shanier White. This is ticket P 1375445. This is count 1, defective windshield. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, tinted windows. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, ma'am, please.
Shanier White.
Judge, for today's purposes of arraignment, the defendant asked that a not guilty plea be set, and we'd ask for a waiver trial date by Zoom, please.
All right. If that's the case, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to set it for a bench trial date of March the 3rd, March 3, 2023. It's going to be at 9 a.m. instead of this PM time. So write this down. March 3rd, 2023, 9 a.m. via Zoom though. So the same way you zoomed in, you're going to zoom in that day, okay?
Okay. I also wanted to state it that I have insurance and had insurance at the time of the ticket.
Okay, make sure that you bring that to the next court date, okay?
Okay.
All right, because it's just gonna be about the other 2 tickets, then if we can see that you have valid insurance, okay?
Okay.
All right, hold tight to that. You
Uh,
wanna set your bond, huh?
I also don't have tinted windows. I'm no longer driving.
Okay, all right, did you fix the windshield too? Did you do all these?
I no longer have a vehicle, ma'am.
You might just have to have a trial then. Then we gotta have
Judge, I'm sure we can have a resolution on the trial date, and quite possibly there might be no complaining witness.
Hold on a minute.
Okay.
Yeah, the insurance. It had affected you. It didn't have no insurance. We have to set it for the trial.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna just have to set it for the trial, but bring that documentation, okay?
Okay.
All right. I'll see you on March 3rd, 2023, okay?
Okay. The same. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Have a great
Yep,
day.
same Zoom information, only it's at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
Same everything, just in the morning instead, okay?
Okay. Have a great one.
All right, thanks. All right, have a good day. I wasn't trying to put you on the spot, that's why I bring Kevin.
Oh, thank you, Judge. I think I misheard it. I thought maybe we could resolve it. So I just wanted to double check.
It's all right. Russell Williamson. Russell Williamson. You can hear me, unmute yourself and start your video. Alvin Woods. Alvin Woods. John Warren.
Can you hear me?
I can. Now I'm
Yes,
calling you
ma'am.
back.
Okay.
Thank you. Now calling the matter to the people versus John Lee Warren. This is ticket P 1309754. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number P1309748. One count disregard, signal red or amber. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Harry Baughman for the defendant. Would you state your full name for the record, sir?
Yes, John Warren.
Your Honor, the defendant was inadvertently late. He's actually at work this morning, and the call was for 8:30, so we'd ask for another pretrial, please, and thank you.
All right, I can do that. I'm getting the pretrial date though of February 17th, okay? That's gonna be in the morning at 8:30 a.m. So this gives you plenty of time to set it up so you can be here, sir.
Yes, ma'am. That's February 17th, 8:30 a.m.
That's right, February 17th, 8:30 a.m., okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. You're all set, okay?
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Oh, wait, I got two. Same date, time. Let me put it up. I got you. All right, I see you. Mr. Williamson, can you hear us now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right, let me call you matter. Now I'm calling the matter of the people versus Russell Williamson. This is ticket P1367964. Count one, expired plate. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
Russell Williamson.
Thank you. Judge, for arraignment purposes, we want to enter a not guilty plea. And I believe, Mr. Williamson, you have compliance documents. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Well, I need you, if you can, because Mr. Williamson already indicated to me, Judge, that he was going to have a problem taking pictures and sending those to me. Can he hold those up to the camera and we see if we can make, let's see if we can.
Okay, I can hold this one up, the registration.
You got to hold it still.
Hold it still. Say your name.
Russell Williamson.
Why didn't it switch? All right. Say it one more time, Mr. Williamson.
Russell Williamson.
Lift it up a little bit. Oh, there it is. With 12, what was the expiration date? I see 12, something.
12/10/2022.
That's coming up real short. That's coming up real soon, okay? I see you got plates, so what about your insurance?
I'm finna show that to you too. My birthday coming on Saturday.
You gotta change
Okay,
it by
we good.
Saturday.
Yes, ma'am.
I see this expires on January 18th, 2023. All right. I think the documents, that's fine. All right. With that being, okay, Mr. Williamson, counsel, do you have a motion at this time?
Move to dismiss for compliance, Your Honor. I stipulate the probable cause for the stop.
This time, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Mr. Williamson, your plates are
Yes, ma'am.
expiring soon. If you don't get those updated, guess what's gonna happen?
I'll be getting another ticket and I don't want that.
Okay? And you don't want that. They have lots of kiosks around the state, around the city that you can go in there and on your actual birthday, you can go into some of these Myers and get your new tag. So make sure you do that
Okay.
by Saturday, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, and some in the Northwest Activity Center, so all kinds of places. I done seen the Secretary of State thing everywhere, so you don't have no excuses.
That's right.
All right, sir. Now, that's enough fussing
Okay,
for this
take care.
afternoon. Have a good day, okay?
Okay, you too.
All right, bye-bye, sir.
Take care.
All right, you too. Trying to get Mr. Woods to talk to me. Mr. Woods, Alvin Woods. Alvin Woods. Get some help. I know you got some help earlier. Anybody help you, Mr. Woods? What was Mr. Woods gonna do, Attorney Baughman?
We need a waiver trial date, Your Honor. This is a leaving the scene of a personal injury accident case, and I know that the prosecutor's at the very least gonna want, Corporal Spidel's, input. So I'm asking that it be set for a trial date, please and thank you.
Okay. Mr. Woods, can you hear us?
Hello?
There we go. All right, fantastic.
Okay.
Okay, all right. Now calling the matter of People versus Alvin Woods. This is ticket P 1316599. Count 1, leave scene of accident, property damage. Count 2, accident. Drive, failed to use due care and caution. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Mr. Woods, state your full name for the record.
Alvin Woods.
Thank you, sir. Judge, and this is a
You're
not
welcome.
guilty. You're welcome. You are pleading not guilty for arraignment purposes, Judge. We need a waiver trial date so that the officer can come in and we can have some sort of resolution.
Okay, all right, the court's gonna enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of Mr. Woods. Sir, can you raise your right hand for me, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you swear or affirm to tell
Okay.
the truth, the whole truth? I got it, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down.
Yes.
Mr. Woods, you spoke with
Okay.
Mr. Bachman, Attorney Bachman, about your case and about your rights, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
And
Your
my
Honor.
understanding, okay, and you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts, right, Mr. Woods?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's gonna be on the date of March 3rd. March
Yeah.
3rd at 9 a.m. So instead of this PM time, it's gonna be in the morning via Zoom though. Same way you came on today, okay, sir?
It's March 3rd at 9 a.m.
That's right. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 person, okay, Mr. Woods?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're very welcome. I'll see you March 3rd, 9 a.m. via Zoom, okay, sir?
Oh, I just go March 3rd, get back on Zoom like I did.
Yep, get back on Zoom like you did this time, okay?
Okay, do I use the same phone number and ID number I have?
Yep, use the same room number and
Okay.
everything. Nothing's gonna change, just the date and the time, okay? March 3rd, 9 a.m. Same Zoom information, okay?
What's your courtroom number?
It's 337.
Okay. Okay.
You got
Okay.
it on, Mr. Woods? You good? Okay, we lost him. All right. All right, we can go off the line.
There he is, he's still there.
You there, Mr. Woods? You good?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. All right, I'll see you then, sir, okay?
Okay, thank you very much. Have a blessed day. Stay safe now.
You too, do the same.